Is reading or watching the news a good way to learn English? Some people say, news is the best way to learn real English. Others say, it's too difficult and boring. So, who's right? Today, we're going to answer one simple question. Should you learn English through the news? The short answer. The answer is, yes, but only if you use it correctly. Because the news can be powerful, but it can also be overwhelming. Why news can be difficult. Let's be honest. News English is not easy. It includes advanced vocabulary, formal expressions, fast speaking in videos, and sometimes complex topics like politics or economics. So if you're a beginner, you might feel confused, tired, or frustrated. And that's why many learners quit. The real benefits of learning through news. But when used correctly, the news is extremely useful. 1. Real-world English. News uses real language. Not textbook English. You learn how people actually communicate. 2. Updated vocabulary. You learn modern words and expressions. Words people use today. 3. Better reading and listening skills. News helps you read faster, understand longer content, follow real conversations. 4. Critical thinking. You don't just learn English. You also understand the world. Think in English. How to use news effectively. Here's how to learn the right way. Step 1. Choose simple news. Not all news is equal. Start with short articles. Easy English news platforms. Step 2. Focus on the main idea. Don't try to understand every word. Understand the big picture. Step 3. Learn key vocabulary. Pick 5-10 useful words. Not everything. Step 4. Read plus listen together. If possible, read the article, then listen to the audio. This improves both skills. Step 5. Repeat regularly. Read news every day. Even 10 minutes is enough. Common mistakes. Avoid these mistakes. Choosing news that is too difficult. Translating every word. Trying to learn too much at once. Only reading without understanding. Keep it simple and consistent. So, should you learn English through the news? Yes. But remember, it's a tool, not a complete method. Use it correctly, and it will help you think, read, and understand English better. Because real English comes from real life, and the news is part of that life. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe for more simple English lessons. Keep listening, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.